You might think I'm crazy because I just bought so many things from Nykaa on their Pink Friday sale, and I cannot wait to use each and every one of them. And here they are. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's start with skincare first. So I wanted to stock up on my winter supplies in this Pink Friday sale, and I had few things in my mind which were already there in the cart. First is this Nivea body lotion, nourishing body lotion in body milk. This is my second bottle throughout the year. I feel this is the one body lotion which does its work of really moisturizing your skin, and it is good for winter. So I had this in my list. I bought this Wonder toner from Tony Moly. I have used the mini one 2-3 weeks ago, and I really liked it. It's quite hydrating. It is perfect for winter season, so this was on my list. I had to try this Bioderma Atoderm Creme Ultra Moisturizer. This is perfect for dry skin, and since we all tend to get dry skin in this winter season, so I had to use this. I had to try this out. One more moisturizer. This is from Venusia Max Intensive Moisturizing Cream. Now this is prescribed for dry and very dry skin. Now I don't tend to have such dry skin, but it is winters and it has been said that ये साल कुछ ज़्यादा ही ठंड होने वाली है, तो I thought ले ही लेते हैं यार, क्या ही जाएगा. You can never have too many moisturizers, okay? So that's why I got 2 body washes. One is this Fiyama shower gel in golden sandalwood oil and patchouli. I am hoping that's the right pronunciation for that flower. It is a very good, like, I like the fragrance of it. Sandalwood. I like sandalwood fragrance. It's quite cheap. It's for 150 rupees, but I'm very sure I got it even less than that in sale. And the second body wash which I got was from Chemist at Play brightening body wash. Since I'm suffering a lot from tanning these days, I thought might as well use it. And I did not go for the smaller one. I got the bigger bottle. So 2 body wash. When it comes to bath, I had to spend a little on body scrub. So I saw this Dove exfoliating body polish. So many people are using this, and lavender is one of those fragrances which I like. So I thought, why not? So I got this. And for face wash, I restocked on the CeraVe foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. Now I know it is winter season. I don't have oily skin at this moment, but my skin tends to get oily to dry to combination from time to time, and I feel this is the perfect thing. Like, for me, I keep it. I really liked it. I had the smaller version up till now, but since that got over, I got a bigger one for me. So now for the next 6 months, I don't have to worry about this. I got this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Steam Mask for my hair. This was a free gift. I did not pay for this. I am not sure how to use it. I am going to make another video of this, how I used it, but I did pay for this. I wanted to try this mask. This is from Biodance. Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. This is a facial sheet mask. Moving on to makeup. Now, looking at my lips, you may think, इसको कितना ही लिपस्टिक लगता होगा ना? नहीं, but I went far. I already have nearly 15 lipsticks in my pouch. I did not stop there. I got more 6 lipsticks. I know. It's okay. That's fine. Can't blame me. This is my guilty pleasure. Anyway, I'm going to show you what all I bought. I got 2 lipsticks from K Beauty. One is their Hydra Creme lipstick. It's in the shade Sage. It is a beautiful dark pink lipstick which you can use on a daily basis as well, and if you put 2 or 3 coats, you can even use it in some festival or ethnic wear, or if you want that bold look, you can go for this. Second lipstick which I bought was in the matte collection, in their matte collection, and it's in the shade Box Office. It has that purple shade which I'm regretting now because I don't know how to style this shade. but ठीक है, देख लेंगे कैसे यूज करना है. It won't go to waste, that's for sure. The next one which I got is from Nykaa, Matte to Last collection in the shade Chai. This is their viral product, viral shade, and it is a beautiful dark brown, chocolatey brown shade, which goes with again everything, and that's the beauty of it. I'm a big nude color junkie, and the more nude shades I have in my lipstick pouch, the merrier. So I'm really loving this shade. Again from Nykaa, it's in the shade Mona Lisa, and this is again a regular pinkish brown color lipstick, but it is in their, I think, matte collection. Not sure which it is because I unboxed it many days ago. This is from Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. It's a mini version, I think. I have seen bigger version as well. Now this was very surprising. Okay, the packaging looks brown, but the lipstick is pink. I have applied it today, so it was quite surprising for me. But ठीक है, चलता है. Like it was not bad shade. It's a good color. तो चल जाता है. But ऐसा मत करो यार, please. जो कलर बाहर दिया है वही अंदर डालो. Next one is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible range. This is again their viral product. It's in the shade Worth It Medium. Again a pink shade. Good everyday nude pink color which goes with again everything. I had my eyes on this for so long, and finally I got it. And last but not the least, in the lipstick segment, I went ahead and bought myself my first MAC lipstick. Wow! I was so happy and so excited for this because I have never purchased such an expensive lipstick for myself. This is the first. It created a huge hole in my wallet, but it is completely worth it. I mean, the packaging itself is so beautiful. I know people who are using MAC products may be relating with this, but this is my first, so my hard-earned money went into buying this. And the shade is Taupe. Taupe. I don't know if this is the right pronunciation, but everybody I hear is speaking this, so I got this nude shade, again perfect for everyday use, and I was very happy for this. Under makeup, I also purchased many eye pencils. Eye pencil is something which you can use it as eyeliner as well as as a kajal as well, and it's a really good alternate if you don't want to use any liquid based liner. So I bought 3 eye pencils from K Beauty. One is bronze, the other one is in pink shade. I don't know the shade name, it is not written on the pencil as well. I think it must be written in the box, but I have thrown away the box. This is bronze, this is pink, and this is a good royal blue shade. And one I got from Nykaa. The shade here is Azure Charm 05, but this is good blue and teal color mix, and it has shimmer also in it. It has more shimmer than K Beauty has, so it's a plus point for Nykaa, and it is cheaper than K Beauty as well. One mascara from Maybelline. This is their new collection, Maybelline Colossal Bubble. I also got Maybelline Tattoo Liner. The whole reason I bought this is because it has a very pointy applicator. I have not seen such pointy applicator in any other liner products, so that is the only reason I got this. And last but not the least, I got a eyeshadow palette from K Beauty. This, I have a similar one in the shade Embrace. Yes, I think in the shade Embrace. It has a nude pink color palette. This is more of a brownish nude palette. It has dark brown skin color, a little bit of lighter brown, and black as well. So for smoky eyes, this is perfect. Mini, so it is travel friendly, you can carry it anywhere, so that is the whole reason I bought it. And to top it off, I also got a tinted sunscreen from Dot & Key in the shade Warm Ivory 02. This is very nice. I have seen so many people use it. That's why I got this. And I also got a mini perfume from Nykaa. It is Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris. It has base notes of champagne and berry. Precise. It actually smells like berries. They are very precise. There are no other notes, so I feel this is perfect. But I don't know how much I'll use this because I don't like fruity fragrances when it comes to perfumes. So that's why, thank God, I bought the mini one, the travel size one, because I don't think I'll be investing more in such fragrance. And for a very exciting thing, I got two mini free gifts on my order, and these are the mini gifts. They are so cute. They are only this much. They are only this much. This is CeraVe's hydrating cleanser, and this is Bioderma gentle cleansing gel. Both are face washes, both are travel friendly, both are mini products. And this was the most cutest thing in my parcel, so that is something which I really like. I am also a little person, so we little people like to see little things and we get excited with that. Okay, so with that, I think this comes to a very big long Nykaa haul video and it comes to an end here. Let me know if you want me to make any other videos using these products, if you want to see how to use them, how to create looks with them. I'll be more than happy to shoot that. And I will come up with more such haul videos on my channel going ahead. And thank you so much for watching till the end, and love you guys. If you like this video, please make sure that you comment something in the comment section, because it will give me the motivation to make more such videos. Hit the like button if you like this video, and share it with your friends and someone you know who will be benefited with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.